Fatty liver disease and ginger. Ginger has been used for millennia in areas of India and China for much more than adding a sweet, spicy flavor to foods and drinks. It's proved over time to be a popular remedy to soothe away headaches, nausea, particularly motion sickness, and to treat several problems related to digestive health as well as pain and inflammation from arthritic conditions, to mention but a few. The famous spice and traditional medicine ginger may have some potential as a treatment for alcohol-induced as well as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Although too few well-designed studies on human subjects have been conducted to make any firm recommendations, ginger is safe for most people and may help support a healthy liver. Ask your doctor whether supplemental ginger is safe for you. Ginger. Ginger is the underground rhizome, or root, of the plant Zingiber officinale. Volatile oils and pungent phenol compounds like gingerols and shogols give it its sweet, spicy flavor and renowned medicinal qualities. Ginger has been used for centuries to soothe gastrointestinal upset, for cold and flu relief, motion sickness, morning sickness and immune support. The University of Maryland Medical Center notes that promising studies have been conducted on ginger's anti-inflammatory properties. Fresh or powdered ginger can be used in cooking or in tea. Its oils are extracted in tinctures or oils for aromatherapy and dietary supplementation. Ginger supplements are also available in capsule form. Fatty liver disease. There are two types of fatty liver disease, alcohol-induced and non-alcoholic. Alcohol-induced fatty liver occurs when excessive consumption of alcohol causes fat to accumulate in the cells of the liver. This serious condition is characterized by a swollen liver and tenderness on the right side of the lower back. Its symptoms include fever, jaundice, spider veins and increased white blood cell count. Occasionally, however, fat builds up in the liver for other, sometimes unknown, reasons. Non-alcoholic fatty liver is often asymptomatic and harmless, but if the excess fat causes inflammation it can lead to problems with liver function. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is the condition that has shown vast improvement with the use of ginger. One study stated that several mechanisms are at work in this chronic condition that's reaching epidemic proportions, and inflammation is one of the main contributors. Ginger for fatty liver. An article published in the January 2011 issue of World Journal of Gastroenterology argues that ginger has great potential as a treatment for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, and emphasizes the need for research on the subject. This hypothesis is based on ginger's antioxidant and triglyceride-lowering effects. Since oxidative stress is thought to be a primary cause of NAFLD, antioxidants like those in ginger may be able to prevent or reverse the disease. However, few well-designed clinical trials have been conducted to date. A 2008 study in the journal Phytotherapia reports that dietary ginger had significant antioxidant activity in rats with alcohol-damaged livers. However, there is no solid evidence that ginger affects alcoholic fatty liver disease in humans. But until 2012, when 44 patients with NAFLD were directed to consume 1 teaspoon of ginger every day for 12 weeks in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study of that much ginger and weight loss. The results, said Dr. Michael Greger, creator behind the Nutrition Facts website. Yes, daily consumption of just that teaspoon of ground ginger a day resulted in a significant decrease in inflammatory marker levels, and improvements in liver function tests, and a drop in liver fat. All for 5 cents worth of ginger powder a day. There's evidence that supplementing with ginger or increasing it in your diet could increase the effectiveness of lifestyle interventions, such as diet modification and increased physical activity, compared to lifestyle interventions alone. In fact, there's evidence that with obesity and fatty liver disease, both attributed to the liver, ginger in any form may prove to be an essential strategy for both liver detoxification and as a support strategy. Other health benefits of ginger. After years of study, ginger has been identified as a dramatic game changer in several areas of human health. Besides being anti-inflammatory and a powerful antioxidant, there are antimicrobial properties that fight premature aging. You'll also find gingerols, shogols and peridols, less prominent but effective compounds in the rough-looking rhizome. Studies list numerous areas that benefit in the way of disease treatment and prevention due to ginger intervention, including degenerative disorders such as arthritis and rheumatism, Digestive health such as indigestion, constipation and ulcers. Cardiovascular disorders, from atherosclerosis to hypertension. Nausea from pregnancy and motion sickness. Diabetes mellitus, significantly lowered blood glucose. Ginger and its phytochemicals, including Zinger-1, have radioprotective effects. Radioprotective compounds found in ginger, as well as goji berries, garlic and turmeric, can selectively protect normal tissues against radiation injury. Simultaneously, it allows the use of higher doses of radiation for cancerous cells and possible cure, one study notes. Cancer prevention is another area that's been well documented in regard to ginger. Studies note that ginger and its bioactive molecules are effective in controlling the extent of colorectal, gastric, ovarian, liver, skin, breast and prostate cancers. Preventive properties are cited in another study, 6-shogol being the pungent component involved in targeting breast cancer, particularly breast cancer stem cells. Other benefits from ginger, whether it's fresh or in supplement form, have a wide array of benefits. Because it can be used in powder form for tea, sliced raw in stir-fries and crystallized for a tasty punch of powerful antioxidants, it's never too late to try your hand at experimenting with ways to get more ginger in your diet. You may never know how effective it's been in disease prevention and adding years to your life. Ginger dosage. The typical dose of ginger supplement for an adult is between 75 and 2,000 milligrams in divided doses each day. Make sure to read all supplement manufacturers' instructions carefully. Look for supplements containing 4% volatile oil or 5% pungent compounds. You may also take ginger as a tea. Shred 2 tablespoons of the root, steep in hot water and drink. For a more immune-stimulating tea, mix 1/2 teaspoon each of ginger, pepper, cloves and honey and stir it into hot water. Grate fresh ginger and add it to salad dressings, stir-fry or baked goods. Keep daily ginger intake below 4 grams to avoid gastrointestinal problems. Warning: using ginger could cause side effects such as heartburn, diarrhea and mouth irritation, says the University of Maryland Medical Center. As well, you could experience health complications if you have gallstones or a bleeding disorder. Ginger may also interact with medications you take, such as blood thinners, diabetes medications and high blood pressure medications. Fights the flu, common cold, excess mucus and sinus infections with this traditional ginger and garlic soup recipe. Despite its numerous benefits, the winter brings about low temperatures, and the flu season is on the rise. Sometimes, we can get away with a day of sniffling or a sore throat, but very often, people are suffering unpleasant and painful symptoms for days and even weeks, so they need to be relieved as soon as possible. Yella Hewings-Martin, Ph.D., explains the difference between common colds and the flu. Most of the time, the common cold manifests with a trilogy of symptoms: a sore throat, blocked nose, and cough. There are more than 200 viruses that can cause the common cold. But it's the rhinoviruses that are by far the most common culprits. Interestingly, around a quarter of people infected with a common cold virus are lucky enough not to experience any symptoms at all. The flu is caused by the influenza virus, of which there are 3 types: influenza A, influenza B, and influenza C. Common colds and flu share many symptoms, but an infection with influenza often also manifests with a high temperature, aching, and cold sweats or shivers, a good way to tell the two apart. When it comes to natural remedies, garlic is the most powerful natural antibiotic. As it contains allicin, provides strong antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Allicin powder has been found to relieve the symptoms of a cold by more than 50%. It is rich in numerous vitamins and nutrients that fight the symptoms of common colds and the flu. Moreover, garlic helps digestion, strengthens the immune and circulatory system, fights allergies. It reduces plaque buildup in the arteries, treats inflammation and upper respiratory tract infections, soothes a sore throat. Moreover, it also prevents weight gain, eliminates parasites, and lowers blood pressure and blood sugar levels. On the other hand, ginger is one of the most effective natural remedies in the treatment of fevers, colds, digestive issues, nausea, arthritis, and other health issues. It has powerful antioxidant, antimicrobial, and antifungal qualities. This makes it of great help in the fight against colds and the flu. Therefore, if you combine these two superfoods, you will get an excellent natural remedy against sinus infections, colds, and the flu. The following ancient ginger and garlic soup recipe has been consumed for many years. Here we present you the perfect combination of ingredients you need for the flu period. Ingredients: 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and finely diced, 50 grams of grated root ginger, 4 green onions finely sliced, 1 finely diced medium hot chili pepper, 7 cups of chicken broth or stock. Instruction: in a large pot, over low heat, sauté the ginger, onions, and garlic for a few minutes. Then, add the stock or broth, and bring the mixture to boil. Simmer until the ingredients get soft, add the chili pepper, and serve with warm, crusty bread. Enjoy and boost your health in a delicious way. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Healthy Lifestyle.